Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Here I have the cutest, most charming coasters that you will ever see. Let me tell you about it. These adorable vintage library due date coasters are so cute and charming. They just bring a whole new element to my coffee table and to my whole living room. They are definitely a conversation piece when people come over. They want to know where I got them. They're from Joyful Moose, and everyone that sees them loves them. How could you not? Look how amazing they are. I want to share a couple things that I really like about these. First of all, I love how durable they are. I live in a house with pets and kids, and we use these quite a bit, and they have shown no signs of wear, which is nice. They're made out of laminated hardboard, so they're durable. They're going to last you a while, and I need that in my house. I just think it's amazing how something so small can bring so much joy to your whole living room. So these coasters have just brought so much joy and charm to my living room. They are a conversation piece and absolutely beautiful. And that's my point of view.